almost to the end of May. Does anyone else out there feel like this year is moving way too fast? It's Friday, May 20th, 2022. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Inventory is up to 118 for sale, from the lowest at $185,000 on Skidmore to the highest of $10 million in Wild Rose Shores. There are 32 homes coming soon, and this reflects a big increase in potential homes coming to the market in quite a while. 40 homes came to the market since last week, which is also up. 13 homes went under contract, 22 homes are temporarily off the market, 26 homes went to pending, and 28 homes sold. The highest sale over the past week was in Whitehall Beach for $1.6 million. Rental inventory is at 17 properties at $2,600 median per month. That's this week's snapshot for the Annapolis Real Estate Report, May 20th, 2022. Thanks for tuning in. Until next week, be well.